Hello. Thursday was a pretty cloudy but very mild day. Temperatures reached 14.4 Celsius in a couple of spots. Friday won't be quite as mild, a little bit cooler, a little bit fresher, but more in the way of sunshine and just for some of us a few showers around, particularly across parts of Scotland. But an overnight weather front has brought a lot of us some rain. That's just pushing its way eastwards now. Through the early hours of Friday, it'll just be lingering across parts of East Anglia, the southeast of England as well. So early rain for some in the south and east, that clears away, and then we're left with clear spells for all. Blustery showers coming in across the northwest for Scotland over the higher ground. They could be falling as snow for a time. Perhaps one or two showers for Northern Ireland and Northern England, but they'll be few and far between. Further south, you should stay dry all day. Temperatures in the afternoon about 5 to 9 degrees. So for some of us, I think they're actually going to come down a little bit through the day. These are the wind gusts that we're expecting. It's going to be particularly windy up towards the northwest of Scotland. Western Isles could see gales at times. Into Friday evening, more blustery showers in the north and the west, clearer and lighter winds further south and east, and we could see some mist and fog patches forming through perhaps the Midlands, East Anglia, the southeast as well. Temperatures getting down to 2 or 3 here in the towns and cities, so a slight frost. Further north, though, you've got more of a breeze, more cloud and patchy rain to keep those temperatures from falling too low. And then into the weekend, then it is back to the mild air, particularly by Sunday. The winds coming in from the south, a weather front approaching from the west later on Sunday. But for Saturday, early morning mist and frost clearing away quite quickly. Bit of rain for parts of northern Scotland where it'll still be breezy, and perhaps some patchy rain into Northern Ireland later in the day. But for central and southern Scotland, much of England and Wales, a dry day. Top temperatures around about 9 or 10 degrees. Into the second half of the weekend, Sunday probably going to be that little bit warmer than Saturday. Again, quite a bit of sunshine around, a little bit of cloud drifting around here and there, and more rain into Northern Ireland and western Scotland late on in the day. But before it arrives, look at those temperatures, 12 or 13 degrees, so above average certainly for this time of year. Into next week, low pressure starts to try and move its way in from the Atlantic. We've got higher pressure across the near continent, but things could turn a little bit more unsettled, particularly in the north from the middle part of the week onwards. But it's remaining mostly dry in the south, and certainly for all of us, it's looking mild. Bye-bye.